Hi guys, welcome. We're looking at the E-mini Dow futures, the hourly chart. And what you have on your screen are these lines. The white ones are your supports, okay, emanating out of seven, S1 and S2, these two support levels, okay. And the red ones are your resistances from the top here of 11th April, calling it R1. There are a few support and resistance levels that I want to share with you. The intersections of resistances with these white lines, the red line and white line intersections, okay, form major support and resistance levels. As you can see right here where my cursor is, the 34,440 has been a support since we closed last night. 34,440 is acting as good support, whereas our so is this the 480 level, 34,480. We've been trading above that since earlier today, and its key resistance has been finding is right around here at 540, 34,540, with highs made at 580 levels. Okay, the resistance level right here. The Dow futures has not traded above that today. So it's been locked in a range from 34,440 to 34,580, and at present it's been trying to get above this S1 support line, the white line. If you follow the cursor coming out of the S1 here of 8th April, and it needs to get above that to go any higher. If it is able to close above that, and it might go as high as 620. The intersection right here is going to act as a resistance. um, 34, say 625 roundabout. Okay, so we're looking at 580 and 625. We need to cross above that 580 and 625 to have a chance to break above this R1 high of 11th of April, which is right about 670. Okay, and touch the red resistance line above that around 740 later on today, possibly. If it can get above the 585 and 625 resistances, we could trade as high as 740 later on today. But this all depends on if the 440 support level holds. Okay, in the event the 440 support level breaks down, we'll have to, our next support below it would be right here at this intersection right here, or 34,390, or maybe, okay, yeah, 34,390 is good enough. And below that we're looking at the red line support right here. If you're coming from the top, that actual resistance will act as a support level around 350. Okay, so we have a range here of 350 to 625 for today. If 440 level holds, we're going 625 or even higher to 740. If 440 breaks, we're going towards 350. And this being the last trading day of the week, tomorrow being a holiday for Good Friday, we're uh, we're actually looking then, if 440 breaks, that we would go lower towards the 34 200 or even 100 levels next week. All right, guys. As you can see right here, a quick note: there's a middle red line, the resistance line. Since the top of April 11th, the market has been following this resistance line all the way down, except it broke above it yesterday. Okay, so now let's see how these supports hold up and if we can overcome the 625 resistance and move towards the 700 level. All right, good luck. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and I will get back to you. And happy Good Friday for tomorrow. Have a great weekend, guys. See you next week.